Okay, we have a LEBLOND-MAKINO servo shift engine lathe, model 15-inch Regal, serial number 15C1006. This machine was new in 1994, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has 15-inch swing by 54-inch centers. Right now, he's running at a low RPM. You have from 30 up to 1200 RPM. They're hardened and replaceable ways. Forward and reverse. He's going to shift. It's oscillating and is shifted to a higher RPM. Machine also has a follow rest with it, a dead center, and a Loris tool post, model CA. We're going up a little bit faster. That's about 100 and some odd. Now we're going to 2. We're going to 254, I believe. You have an L1 spindle nose. With a 2 and 1764 hole through the spindle. All right, that's the cross feed. Longitudinal feed. You can reverse it on the carriage, reverse the longitudinal, and the cross. Okay, we're going to engage the half nut, and we're threading. Machine also does have a thread dial indicator, a micrometer, carriage stop. That's your tailstock. Tailstock's number 4 Morse taper with 5 inches of travel. Okay. Hey, thank you for watching our video.